Hey everyone, so in today's video, we're going to be showcasing the For the People Buckle Up build after Buckle Up got buffed. And Buckle Up's new thing, it used to be you look at auras and of down survivors and see how progressed they are, but now it's whenever you pick someone up from the dying state, you both get endurance for 10 seconds. And For the People is to pick people up from the dying state immediately. And this video is just going to showcase some of the value I got with it with some friends.
The Auto Haven Records.
Oh yeah! I hate this map.
How could this be any fun for anybody?
How can this be any
Fear
fun
monger.
for you? It's an artist?
That is the first
This is the first artist I've seen in a long time. She's coming to me because I got hit by the bird.
That's how I know it's about to be like a 4K.
Uh-oh. She's on me already. Oh, she is the fucking dragon stick. Oh, she whipped. Did she swing through the window? No.
Don't like.
When you get injured, Brian,
She is not a respecter.
immediately let me know.
She is not a respecter.
Immediately let me know when you get injured and where you're at.
I'm at Shack right now. Got vertical.
Oh, she has that skin on? Ew.
She just swung away from the window. Probably gonna get injured here. Oh, she missed. That's what I do. I'm just gonna leave Shack because I don't want to drop the pallet. She's trying to shotgun me.
Oh, what perk is it where you get exhausted and blind
Fear
to something
monger.
while you're working on it there?
Fearmonger.
Oh, I got stuck on the. I'm injured.
Where are you?
Crane. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it.
That's alright. Probably 1.5. She's going to the person that's on the gen very far away.
Nice, sweet. Come to save you.
Not if I have any.
She hit him with burst.
No,
She's
but
actually,
y'all get your first.
she's actually
And
committed
I
to going for him. Dang, that Nick Cage just did not move.
Might as well, and I got it.
And I got the double sprint burst.
I don't have any of Nick Cage's bursts on.
Let's go.
I need to find this guy immediately.
He's over there, Andrew. He's running towards the right. Because I have empathy. For the people buckle up. Oh shit.
No! Yeah, that's what I'm running right now.
That's what I am too.
I guess she's on a ghost.
She doesn't like going for me. I'm just, just hitting.
Birds to me.
I've never gone against an artist with this skin on.
Neither have I, because it's a new skin.
It's no,
Oh
it's
my
actually
God.
fairly old.
That just barely. I feel so bad.
This
for
is
this
the
artist with me.
Alice in Wonderland skin.
Where is she?
Uh,
Oh, I see.
that not hitting me is kind of wild.
Brian, immediately try to start moving otherwise if you get injured.
Okay. I'm running to Bulldog, and she went for our teammate. I'm gonna be here for the buckle up for the people.
Yeah.
He's blue gem.
He's going into the thing. I don't know how to make that.
I'm gonna go help. Too late.
No way.
Let's go.
Let's go, paid actors. All right, I'm coming to Bulldog. Dang. Well,
How did he still die?
I extended his life for a little bit.
Coming right over to Blood Lodge.
Or definitely getting crowed.
You got through, not me.
Oh, I am. Yeah, sick.
I'm going for the save. You guys just focus on running.
He's on Andrew.
Alright, Brian, you want to come to the hook so we can all heal?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get
still,
injured.
I'm still broken from
She
what-
whiffed.
Nice.
I make it to a pal now because she whiffed.
Alright, I think by the time we finish healing this Nick Cage, I'll be good enough.
Oh, you're so pissed.
Oh.
You're so pissed that I timed that well. Oh my god, she's
Okay.
DCing.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
Well, first game,
Okay.
first value. We got the first value out of it already. Pain Red Surge.
I'm
Urban
sorry.
Base. Dang.
What did you
My
do?
bad.
You brought a brand new
What'd you do?
part? You're toxic.
I made a DC, I think.
Yeah, I can see that, but what did you do? Immediately get chasing good looping that equals good content.
Sure. Just run object to get chased.
And if Andrew makes the killer DC, it's even better content.
And if I do nothing, that's the best content. I just let you guys do the heavy lifting for me.
Oh, I'm so
It's Michael.
disingenuous.
I think she takes a flash here. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh,
He's
he
not-
has infectious.
infectious.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Uh-oh. Time to get out of
Oh my god. Did I hear for the people buckle up value?
here. I would have gotten it, but he's on me in front of school. I'm greeting this.
going back to the gym.
I'm jumping it.
Not going back to the gym. Oh, I thought I heard bad
Nah,
things.
he's over at the school.
He has crowd control.
The
it's
second
not
we pop
bamboozled.
this, he might come back. Yep, he
alright.
came back. He's gonna come for me since I'm healthy.
Nah.
Uh-oh. Well, he's gonna get a kill from it.
This tier 3 is lasting for a long time.
I think he has infinite.
Yeah.
That was too fast for infinite. What?
No, I think he has long.
Uh.
He has duration. He didn't see me.
He most definitely saw
I
it.
should run because like I don't want him to get the stock off of me because he is like not stalking me at all this match, but he's actually not stalking me. That is surprising.
I'm gonna go save you.
He's trying to catch up to you because you're injured.
Do I make window? Do I make window? No, I don't.
Oh no. Can't stalk crap.
Uh-oh.
So let's go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that was a bad idea.
Oh, he's looking at us.
He's stalking.
Oh,
Oh
no
my God.
way!
Oh, hell yeah.
It's another
Paid
fucking
actors!
abuser.
Paid actors!
So
What the
strong.
fuck?
That is so strong.
Okay.
I'm gonna use my mic on her. Oh, she's still
Oh,
broken.
we
She's
just
still
ran
broken.
right into him.
Where you at, Tim? Oh, wait. You're down there. Wait. Value. Hang on.
Oh, you broke both doors. What? Why did you do that?
Hang on. I can get value here.
I don't think I make this.
Uh-oh. Ooh, no. He's looking at me.
We're gonna stand up.
Oh no.
Unfortunate. Well. He's going to the two people in the gym.
Alright, well he's for sure coming down here.
It's a car pallet over here. I might be able to do something.
Oh, double heal.
Okay,
on
he's
it?
oh yeah.
Oh, there is. I hate to break some unfortunate news. There's no car pallet.
I think I used that one.
You go down now?
Plot twist. I made him lift. Easy. You're actually so easy.
Well, we get a
Been
full
down.
reset.
That extra little boost from Geometry might actually help.
He's going straight to you guys. Run.
I need to go find a gym.
Do I make this? Oh, crowd control.
No!
You don't get value now.
Oh, fuck!
The only
Oh,
value
no,
you're
no.
giving
Wait,
him is
he has force
dropped on the hole,
hesitation!
dropped on the hole,
He has
dropped on
force
the hole,
hesitation!
dropped on the hole. Do it. No, you take it. Now you take it.
Yep.
Force him to take it.
He's waiting for it. Oh, let's
You
go!
didn't time it right.
No way! Value!
That buckle up just saved your life.
I know it did. Uh-oh, Andrew, I'm coming
Did you
around.
get away?
Coming to us.
That door is not broken.
Oh, it is not. Oh, shit. I'm dead here. Yes, that's right, Nikki. I should have taken that window.
Why is he not going for me? I'm the full health one.
No! There's no way I made him whiff that first shot, though. I don't care. I don't care that I died. I get some really good value.
Value is the word of the day today.
You may or may not be acting. That's going to be.
Not to mention, I still play Future Fight, which is, you know,
Mid.
it's fun, bro.
I don't know about that.
Just
Oh,
got
same
out of,
map.
dude. No, we just got out of the Across the Spider-Verse update.
Oh.
Great.
Andrew, do you think he's running the Aaron build?
Wait, who is? Oh,
Wesker.
never mind.
But Andrew, do you think he's starting
Yeah,
an
and we're
Aaron
already
build?
infected. Oh, what Aaron build?
The one
Guys, he
where
does not see me right now.
oh, he's on me. Shaq. But what the fuck?
What the heck?
This guy is playing so wonky.
Yeah, it was really bad. I thought he was
What? Yikes.
Wesker,
He went after me
weirdo.
instead.
I
Juice. Yo, pay for that.
Either her name was I'm learning to play.
Yes.
Oh my god! No! I'm disowning you, Timmy.
Hold on.
You're doing the gen up there.
Oh, I didn't know you were doing the gen up there.
And the reason I couldn't hear him, I had the oblivious status effect from the blue glyph.
I'm exposed. No, I'm dead.
Oh, geometry.
No. Oh my god.
Yeah, we gotta
That almost got me killed. He's going back to the hook.
Yep, I figured.
The value.
Why is
The
Steve
value.
following
Please
me?
don't get grabbed, Steve.
Oh, he blocked us. Steve just blocked us.
No way!
Get the flashlight save.
No, for the
No,
people.
about to go up value, baby.
Value.
He is definitely cutting me off, Brian.
Uh-oh. Oh. Ah! Oh.
I got out of that.
I know.
I got out of that.
Andrew, he, I'm so confused.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Tim, you better run.
Uh-oh.
No! Tim!
Oh!
No!
I was lagging.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
no, wait, the one, is it raining?
Wait. No,
I saw the bar on the side for a second as well.
I thought I was away.
Here we go. Get ready, Tim.
He is after Andrew.
Oh, okay, we reset. Yeah, I see it.
You're merely postponing the inevitable.
Shut up.
Okay, I guess since Steve is here, I guess he'll know.
Okay, now we go.
Oh, I
I
had
wanna
made
go to
for
the
this.
spray can.
Yeah, oh, Andrew's right here.
Your new clickbait title is playing with the Wesker voice actor. And the collar professional.
The collar professional? There's no way.
Wait, where is this guy?
He's still in the building.
Like I sell collars for
Oh,
a
mid,
living,
okay.
and it's not
What?
even funny.
I don't know where he is. Is he trailing Andrew? Oh, he is, okay. He's still on Andrew's meat.
I actually sell every collar.
Yeah, he is. Oh, Andrew, this gate over here is 99.
Get hit for you. Oh, no, he just wants Andrew.
The
So what
gate over
color
here is
do we
99.
want?
Go.
Okay. Okay, I took a
Just
hit for
get the gate
Andrew.
in this
He's on
corner
me,
here,
he's on me, he's on me.
Alright, Andrew, let's heal.
I'm
Let's
just
heal.
dropping it. Gonna go around this side. Oh, Steve's here to take a hit for me. Timmy, I'm heading to your gate. I need a reload.
No way.
Okay, I'm healing up
Hold
Andrew.
on.
He cut us off, He's
Did I
down,
see
Steve.
that right? Did I
He down, Steve, he down, Steve,
Did I
he down,
hear-
Steve.
Did I hear buckle up value?
Yes!
Did I?
Go, get it! No!
Nope, never mind. It wouldn't work because, you know,
You have to heal for a couple seconds. They
Xbox
changed
is
it.
just equipped with the
Andrew,
best
you have to
fucking
heal it for a
mechanics
couple
in the world.
seconds. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I know. You have to press A. I understand that.
Woo! Get him, Tim, get him!
I believe. It wouldn't let me vault up because it wanted me
Oh,
to
there's
throw
no
down
way I
the
made him
pallet
miss there.
instead. Careful, he's gonna vault over that pallet. If he's stupid, he vaults over that pallet.
Or breaks
Okay,
it.
Steve just.
Oh, light value! Okay, Timmy, you're kind of
That means
screwed
I'm
now.
dead, though. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
screwed.
look for hatch. Look for hatch.
You're right,
Go
you're
look.
right.
It's spawning right now.
Let's go!
Take the part. It's a good movie, he says. That's the worst thing that can happen.
Eh.
I'm going for safe.
Yeah. See,
Oh, that almost.
what I was talking about. He's on Tim. He's on Tim. He's such a freak. Why is he going for injured people? Oh, they.
He just
Yeah,
put
I know.
himself
he put
in a
himself
second.
struggle.
Gotta get out of here, bro. Is this kid okay?
Oh no way, Tim! No way!
I just made him eat the wall.
You did. You make it to kitchen. Wait,
No.
wait! Belly.
Oh, what? That guy's on death
Oh.
already?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because he put himself in
he
struggle.
attempted into second. Yeah.
Uh oh, chat.
Well, Brian, you're down.
No, I'm not. I'm all good. Oh. Okay. That works.
Yep, and the match is over.
This, what was that? Oni?
Jimmy.
Oh, he's a paid actor. He's front door at the front door.
He's not running. He's not. We need to start doing.
Oh, damn. Unfortunate. I got kind of folded there.
Oh, he's trying to get value. Little did he
No,
know
he's
I
not.
have the most value alive.
Oni?
Damn it.
Hello.
We're gonna have to run very shortly.
He's standing still.
Okay, free gen pressure.
Tell me when he comes over to us.
He's just standing still next to my hook.
Guarantee you
Oh,
you
he's
said,
back.
can
He's back.
All you said was, "Can you slow down? We need gens." Sure.
He's heading towards, not Shack, but the loop across the street from my hook. He's going to you guys now. He's going to you guys.
That's us. We gotta go. It's almost. Hold on. Don't hit me.
No!
Fuck you. I was
I
gonna
tried.
get so much value.
I tried taking that. Oh. No, so he activates the power on all injured
No.
Deadlock. Brian, why are we moving with friends? That's a terrible
Because
idea.
this is the
But
only
it
loop
somehow
around.
worked.
This is the only loop around. Yeah, you don't curve that.
You're dead. Okay, or he's just not very smart. Uh-oh. You're gonna get curved like that?
Point.
Yo, hold up. I should have been.
Ooh, that was really close.
Me and the rando are healing on top of the house.
I think it lost power. Or no.
Keep living.
I am. No, I'm not. Oh my god!
You know what I'm trying
Yes,
to do.
yeah.
You know.
I know. Hang on. He left me. He left. He lost power.
Me and this guy are just.
Keep whooping him
nodding
on
up
that
and
pallet.
down.
He's kicking the gen. I actually don't think he knows that. He's going to Shack.
Honestly, no value right now.
Oh, he's on me again at the pallet.
Hold on. Value.
Andrew, what are you doing?
Watch this
Value.
thing. This guy is not doubling back. He's just farming me for blood orbs.
No, I need a.
Go do gens.
There's a
I'm
gen right
sneaking
next to
around
my
here
loop
for
that's
some
almost
value.
done, but he picked it. Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Value. Literally.
Value. He's...
Value.
This guy actually thinks he's...
Oh,
that was really close.
I can't find any other gens.
Oh, I think I might be dead here. Value! Yes! Value!
And now it's my turn. Switch shift real quick.
I 99 the gate. Coming
He
over to
is
you guys.
on my trail, I think.
Yeah, he is. He's on the trail.
He's not in power.
No, I know. He's just farming blood and power.
Oh, how I miss folks who made for this.
Oh, yeah. He's such a nice dude.
I'm very, very far away. If y'all could take hits, I think I make it to gate.
Buckle with value, though.
I make it to gate if y'all take
Oh, I'm
hits.
gonna take a hit. He's getting
Where
the
are you?
power, though. He's by
At
the
the
generator.
gate, basically.
He's getting
Oh
blood.
yeah, I see you guys.
I think I can just get. Oh, that spells bad news for one of y'all, though.
It's me. It's bad news for me.
Come
I
on,
might
Andrew.
just have to wait out his turn. I'm might just have to wait out his power.
Oh my god.
I have to wait out his power. Just stall. I have to
I
wait out
could
his
leave
power.
whenever I want. Okay, I was a bit scared.